Alright guys, we're here at our mechanic shop. We're doing a lot walk of our projects that are up and coming cars. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button if you want to see all of our classic cars, and especially the project. We do full lot walks at the other warehouse where we got all cars that are done, but then we also have cars like this that need work, and you can buy them before they're done. We'll give you a discount on them. This is the bargain find. So this is cheap classic cars. Hit the subscribe button. Let's get started. Alright guys, 1965 Thunderbird. This has got a 390 automatic transmission. This will be coming up. Not a bad car at all. Thunderbird, we're gonna have this Thunderbird listed at like 16 grand or best offer. 64 Impala SS. And this is a 409 car. We got the engine removed. And we have it being rebuilt over at the engine builder. So this will be another one coming up. Now, this is a nice car, guys. This is an original California car. Spent its life in California, so it's got no rust, no rot. It's not an East Coast car. Just a nice car. And then the Impala is going to be high 30s. It's going to be a real nice car when it's done. It's going to probably be like 38.5. The 72 Charger SE. It's got a V8 under the hood. I believe it's a 383. I gotta verify that. And this one's gonna be mid-teens, probably around 16. 70 Boss 302 clone. It's not a real Boss. Got a little bit of work to get done to it. This one's gonna be probably 2 months because we got this one in backlog. I'm gonna be replacing the floors. The floor's got a little scaling on it, not happy with them. I had to send it out to another shop. This one's going to be mid-30s. Then we got this nice 69 Mach 1. Now this is a 390 big block. Unfortunately, the paint got messed up here, as you can see, so it's got to go to the paint shop. It's going to get a fresh paint job on it. This car is going to be probably high 40s. Got the Cadillac, I believe it's a 76 DeVille. This car will be like 12.5. It's got electronic fuel injection, interior is clean. Grandfather and grandson owned it. Then we got 67 fastback, 4-speed. We just completely rebuilt the engine, and I'm just waiting for the body shop to give us the go to bring it in. It's not bad paint, but you can see here the paint is starting to, looks like this quarter was done and they didn't paint it correct, so we're going to repaint the whole car. This one's going to be mid-40s, high 40s. This car is perfect, rebuilt engine. It's going to have fresh paint on it. It's going to be a nice car when it's done. Then we got the 69 Nova SS, and this is a true L78 car. We just pulled this one out from a guy out in Lancaster. This is one of like 3,500 built. This car runs and drives good, matching numbers. This car, I'm going to go through it, then it's going to get detailed, paint corrected, and this one may go to Mecum. This is a pretty rare car. I would consider selling it. If you want to give me a call, we can discuss it. And then we got this Ford Falcon that's hit. This one I need like $1,000 on it, but it's hit. It's good for the title, the VIN number, and I got some spare parts. I got Z28 69 under here that we're going through. This is a project, but it runs, it drives. I'm gonna need paint. This will be coming up for sale too when it's done. I'm not really sure price. If you're interested, let me know. Let's go take a look at this 68 RS. This will be up next week at the shop. This one's all done. Just needs a good detail. This one's going to be mid-30s. Mid-30s on this one. And that's got a V8 350. That's an automatic transmission. 68 fastback. This has got a 302 under the hood. Well, it's a 289 built up. And we are installing a 4-speed in it. It's got an automatic in it. Original Highland green car. This is going to be mid-50s, this car, when it's done. As we are done the bargain lot walk. If you like that video, please subscribe. We will talk to you later. Let's go. Take care.